Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Buck RapidFire dual action automatic knife. Now it's dual action because you have the thumb stud method, which you just saw. Open it like that. You can also use this button, you slide it away and boom, there you go. There's your auto. So overall length is 7¼ of an inch, blade length is 3 inches of S30V steel, and the handle length is 4.25 inches. It's got a liner lock on this guy. I'll show you right there. Anyways, handle length 4.25 inches. It is aluminum for the handles, and you've got a pocket clip for tip up or, just tip up right-handed carry. Here's a size comparison next to a tactical clothespin. Overall weight is 3.7 ounces, and go ahead and buy this knife at BladeHQ.com. This is the Buck RapidFire.